Hello everyone and welcome back. So today we have a very important job to do. It is going to be very windy tonight. We've got a big storm coming called Storm Kieran, and it is bringing hurricane force winds and rain. So we need to go around and clear everything up and make sure that nothing can be blown away and cause any more damage than hopefully what's already going to happen. So yeah, let's go and round some people up and get clearing. So Dad,
Yeah.
what needs moving?
Well, we've got some ladders down the side. We've got two 45-gallon drums weighting down with some lumps of concrete on top of them so they don't blow away. Around the back there's a ladder wants moving. There's quite a few things. If you walk around you'll see stuff that can be blown away. You've got to move.
Yeah, we'll have a walk around as well. There's some cones and stuff over there. That's and right. Some boxes, and blow away. We'll get that all moved.
Yeah, pick it all up. And those two windows that Michael took out, they weren't moving.
Yeah.
They're going to fall over and smash.
Yeah.
Let's walk around and have a look.
Okay.
Sure to be plenty.
Now I think we need to prepare the stables, so the horses are safe tonight. Yeah. Okie dokie, let's do that then. Look who it is, everybody. So, we've got a storm coming.
I don't know. Maybe.
We've got Storm Kieran. And it's going to be really windy. So, Yanis has just moved a few bits that needed moving to stop it from blowing away in the wind. And we need to get the stables done.
Yeah.
So the horses can come in. And I apologise for the sound of this video. It's windy already. So it's going to be a bit noisy down the microphone. So let's get going, sort the stables out. So Mo's mucked out the two next door for me. I've done Udea's and now they're going to get all fresh bedding so that they're all nice and comfy for the storm. So Udea always has a big fluffy bed because she's big and she's old. And there we go. Perfect.
So, lots of people asking about me where I've been. I was here just, I took a job in Laval, which is 30 minutes driving from here. So I was working every day and training at the same time with the football club. So that's why I'm not doing nothing on YouTube or with Sadie. But I have good news. I am finishing this job in 2 days and I will be back to the Chateau to help in Sadie, to help everybody and to do more stuff as we always did. Voila! Now we are making out and preparing the beds for the girls. Voila, voila. And also, I have a new haircut. So tell us in the comment if you like me like that.
Without the sunglasses. Right, so the horses' stables are nearly finished. Janice is doing the waters and Mo's going to have a little tidy up outside. But I thought I'd quickly show you, because a lot of you have been asking. Mum and Dad have now moved into their house. It's not finished, but I thought we'd give you a little tour of the downstairs for today. Hello!
No pigs today, please.
Cheeky mare.
Come in.
This is Mum and Dad's place. No, you haven't finished it yet, have you?
No, there's loads to do. But we're here.
Yeah, you've
we're
moved
living
in.
here.
It's
There's
nice.
just lots of silly little jobs that need finishing.
Yeah,
Decorating and stuff.
it's nice. You got your nice ceiling that used to be on the floor.
Yeah, that was on the floor.
So show us the next room, your kitchen.
So it's just a little kitchen diner, which still needs finishing. I've got cupboard doors to go on and handles and plinths and things.
It's lovely. So Dad's been working hard, hasn't he,
Yeah.
to get this. Yeah, so like Mum said, she's got a few doors to go on and stuff to go on the top of the cabinets and bits and bobs, and your painting's not quite finished, is it? But
Getting there.
it's nice.
My blinds, I've got my blinds, but they've got to go up.
Yeah. So you had these all altered and made
Yeah.
for, especially for here, haven't you?
Yeah.
And you've reused radiators from the convent, aren't they?
These were, no, we went and brought these.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, so people were selling them off. So we went and brought them and just painted them.
Yeah.
So they're better than the modern ones.
Yeah. So all of your heating goes from your fire, doesn't
Yeah.
it? It's red hot in here. I'm sweating already.
Yeah, so utility room over there.
Yeah.
And the hallway's not been touched. So
No.
that's all got to be done.
And your staircase hasn't got proper handles yet.
There's a letter for you there, Sadie.
Okay.
Right, do you want to have a look upstairs?
Go on then. So as you can see, it's not finished here. Neither is their spare bedroom. This is Mum and Dad's bedroom. Look at that. It's nice. It's way different than what it was,
Yeah.
for sure. Very
So
cosy.
This bed is just temporary because we've got a new one in the next room.
Yeah.
I'm just waiting on the mattress for it.
Yeah.
So, and then obviously the wardrobes have got to be finished.
Yeah.
There's a little shower room that's done.
Yeah. Shower, toilet. I'm gonna poke the camera around the corner. Sink. It's nice. And look, she's even got a coffee area, tea and coffee area.
Tea station.
Is that for when you're getting ready in the morning?
Well, if I'm up here and I want a cup of tea in the middle of the night, I can get up and make one. Or whatever. I've got my witches' hats there. Just an array of witches' hats like you do.
Yeah, it's lovely. It's very cosy and warm, I must say. And Dad's done everything himself, basically, apart from what you've seen people helping him with.
Yeah,
a bit of,
just a few trades.
yeah. There you go. Dad did all that wallpapering himself. He's good at that, isn't he?
Well, his dad had a painting and decorating company, so when he grew up he was sort of taught how to do that sort of thing as well, but he didn't want to take on the company because he didn't like it.
Yeah.
So he didn't like doing the decorating.
Voila. Right, well, thanks for showing everyone around what you've done so far, and we can come back next time when you've finished a bit more.
Yes. Okey-doke.